Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to use format painter in word table. Let's get started. First we will open our Word document. In this document we show a table here. Now we use format painter in this table. Now click the name word, then go to the home menu and click format painter option. Now we see our cursor is a brush. Now we click the father name. We see the red color is apply the father name. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.